Jake, I have to tell you about the most awkward elevator ride I had yesterday.
Oh no, what happened? Please tell me you didn't just stand there in complete silence for 10 floors.
Worse, I tried to make small talk with my neighbor and I said, "Nice weather we're having." And she looked at me like I was crazy and said, "Emma, it's pouring rain outside."
Classic small talk fail. But you know what? I bet every English learner listening right now has been in that exact situation, wanting to say something friendly but not knowing what to say.
Exactly. And that's why we're here today. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake, and welcome to Talk Smart Podcast. Today, we're going to save you from those painfully awkward silent moments.
Because small talk doesn't have to be scary, and we're gonna prove it.
So Emma, for anyone who's not sure, what exactly is small talk?
Great question. Small talk is just casual, friendly conversation about everyday topics. It's not deep or serious. It's light and easy.
Right, like when you're waiting for the bus or in line at the coffee shop or meeting someone new at a party. It's those little conversations that help break the ice.
Break the ice. That means to start a conversation and make people feel more comfortable. And here's the thing, small talk is super important in English-speaking cultures.
Absolutely. It shows you're friendly and approachable. Plus, it can lead to real friendships or even business opportunities. But the best part? Small talk follows patterns. Once you learn a few easy phrases, you'll never be stuck in awkward silence again.
So today, we're sharing 5 conversation starters that work in almost any situation. Ready to become a small talk pro? All right, let's start with our first conversation starter. How's it going?
This is such a good one. It's like the Swiss Army knife of small talk. You can use it anywhere, anytime.
Swiss Army knife of small talk. I love that. So, how's it going is basically asking, how are you? But it's more casual and relaxed.
Exactly. It's perfect because it's not too formal, like, how do you do? But it's friendlier than just, hi.
And here's a pro tip. You don't need to give a long, detailed answer. Keep it simple and positive.
Let me show you how this works in real life. Emma, let's do a quick example. I'll be someone you meet at work.
Okay.
Hey, Emma, how's it going?
Hey, Jake. It's going well, thanks. Just grabbing some coffee before the meeting. How about you?
Pretty good. Just trying to wake up. It's only Monday.
Breaking character. See how natural that felt? We kept it light, friendly, and brief.
Right. And notice how I mentioned it's Monday. That's another small talk tip. Reference to day, the weather, or what's happening around you.
Let's try another example. This time, let's say we're neighbors meeting in the hallway.
Perfect. I'll start. Hey, morning, Emma. How's it going?
Oh, hi, Jake. Going great, thanks. Beautiful day today, isn't it?
Definitely. Finally, some sunshine after all that rain. Have a good one.
You too. See you later.
And that's it. Quick, easy, friendly, no stress, no pressure.
I love how we both mentioned the weather. That's like small talk gold. Weather is always a safe topic.
Our second phrase is perfect when you're somewhere specific. What brings you here?
Ooh, this one is so useful. It's a polite way to ask why someone is at the same place as you.
Right. You can use it at conferences, parties, waiting rooms, even the grocery store. It shows genuine interest without being too personal.
And it usually leads to longer conversations because people like talking about their reasons for being somewhere.
Let me set up a scenario. Emma, imagine we're at a bookstore, and I see you looking at cookbooks.
Got it. I'm ready.
Excuse me, I couldn't help but notice you're checking out the cookbook section. What brings you here? Looking for anything specific?
Oh, hi. Yeah, I'm trying to learn how to cook Italian food. My boyfriend's family is from Italy, and I want to impress them at dinner next week.
That's so sweet. My mom actually has an amazing lasagna recipe. Italian cooking can be tricky, but it's so worth it.
Really? I'd love some tips. Are you into cooking too?
See how that opened up a whole conversation? We went from strangers to potentially sharing recipes.
Exactly. And I shared something personal, but not too personal. My boyfriend's family dinner. That's the perfect level for small talk.
Let's try another situation. How about we're both waiting at the doctor's office?
Okay, but let's keep it light. Doctors' offices can be sensitive topics.
Good point. I'll be careful. This place is always so busy, isn't it? What brings you here today, if you don't mind me asking?
Oh, just a routine checkup. You know how it is. Better safe than sorry. What about you?
Same here. Annual physical. I keep putting it off, but my wife finally made me book it.
Wives are good at that. My mom does the same thing with my dad.
Perfect. We kept it general and light, but still had a genuine moment of connection.
And notice how Jake said, if you don't mind me asking. That's polite and gives the other person a chance to change the topic if they want to.
Phrase number 3 might seem obvious, but it's a classic for a reason. Nice weather we're having.
Oh, the good old weather talk. Some people think it's boring, but I actually think it's genius.
Why genius?
Because literally everyone experiences weather. It's something we all have in common, no matter where we're from or what we do.
That's so true. And you can adapt it to any weather. Crazy rain today. Finally some sun. Can you believe how hot it is?
Exactly. Plus, weather affects our mood and plans, so it often leads to other topics.
Let me show you. Let's say we're both getting coffee on a really sunny day.
I'm ready. Coffee shop encounter. Here we go.
Gorgeous day, isn't it? Perfect coffee weather.
Absolutely. I was just thinking how nice it is to walk here instead of driving. Days like this make me want to work outside.
I know what you mean. I'm thinking of having lunch in the park later. Do you work around here?
Yeah, just a couple blocks away. The park sounds perfect. I might steal that idea.
See how we went from weather to walking to work to lunch plans? Weather is like a conversation bridge.
Conversation bridge. I like that. Now let's try a rainy day scenario. Sometimes bad weather is even better for small talk because everyone's dealing with the same problem.
True. Shared misery brings people together.
Wow, it's really coming down out there. I didn't bring an umbrella, did you?
Nope. I checked the weather app this morning and it said partly cloudy. So much for trusting technology.
Right? I've learned to always keep an umbrella in my car. Maybe we should wait it out for a few minutes.
Good idea. These summer storms usually pass quickly. Are you heading far?
And just like that, we're having a real conversation. We bonded over the shared experience of being caught in the rain.
I love how natural complaints about weather sound. It's not really complaining. It's more like shared observation.
Exactly. You're acknowledging that you're both experiencing the same thing. It creates instant connection.
Number 4 is perfect for new places. Have you been here before?
This one is so smart because it works whether the answer is yes or no.
Right. If they say yes, you can ask for recommendations. If they say no, you're both exploring together.
Plus, it shows you're interested in their experience and maybe looking for advice. People love giving recommendations.
Let's try this at a new restaurant. Jake, you be someone sitting at the bar next to me.
Got it. New restaurant, here we go.
This place has great atmosphere. Have you been here before?
Actually, this is my 3rd time this month. I'm kind of obsessed. The pasta here is incredible. Is this your first visit?
It is. I've been wanting to try it forever. What do you recommend?
Oh, you have to try the mushroom risotto. And if you like wine, their house red is surprisingly good. Are you dining alone or waiting for someone?
Just me tonight. I love trying new restaurants solo. You get to focus on the food. Plus, I'm more likely to talk to interesting people like you.
Perfect. That felt so natural, and look how much information we shared. Food preferences, dining habits, even a little personality insight.
And notice how Jake asked a follow-up question. Is this your first visit? That keeps the conversation going.
Let's try somewhere completely different. How about a fitness class?
Ooh, good one. Those can be intimidating, so small talk really helps people feel welcome.
I am a little nervous. This instructor looks intense. Have you been to her class before?
A few times. Don't worry, she's tough but really encouraging. This is actually a great workout. You'll love it. How long have you been doing yoga?
Just started last month. My doctor said I need to work on flexibility. I'm definitely the least bendy person here.
I'm smiling. Everyone starts somewhere. I couldn't touch my toes when I started. You'll be amazed how quickly you improve.
That was so supportive. You made me feel less nervous and more welcome.
Fitness environments are perfect for this phrase because people are often trying new classes or gyms. Everyone appreciates a friendly face.
Our final phrase is super versatile. What do you think of?
I love this one because you can fill in the blank with anything. The music, the food, the event, the movie, whatever's happening around you.
Right. It invites opinion without being too personal, and everyone has opinions.
Plus, it shows you value the other person's thoughts. That's always a nice feeling.
Let's say we're at a art gallery opening. Very fancy, very intimidating.
Perfect. Art events can feel pretentious, so finally conversation really helps.
This is interesting. What do you think of this piece?
Honestly, I'm not sure I understand it, but something about the colors really draws me in. Are you into modern art?
I'm definitely more of a beginner. I came with my friend who's the real art lover, but I'm trying to learn. Do you come to these events often?
Not often, but I work at the museum downtown, so I'm trying to broaden my horizons. It's fun to see what people create.
See how we both admitted we're not experts? That honesty makes conversation so much more real.
Exactly. You don't have to pretend to know everything. Being genuine and curious is way more interesting than trying to sound smart.
Let's do one more, maybe at a concert or live music venue.
Great idea. Music is such a personal thing, so opinions can really vary. What do you think of the band so far? I wasn't sure what to expect.
They're really good. Much better live than their recordings, I think. The guitarist is incredible. Have you heard their music before?
Just a couple songs on Spotify. My friend dragged me here, but I'm so glad she did. What kind of music do you usually listen to?
Pretty much everything, but I love discovering new bands at small venues like this. There's something special about live music, you know?
Music conversations can go on forever. People are so passionate about their tastes.
And notice how we kept building on each other's responses. That's the key to good small talk. Listen, respond, and ask follow-up questions.
All right, let's quickly recap our 5 conversation starters that'll save you from awkward silence forever.
Number 1. How's it going? Perfect for anyone, anywhere, anytime. Keep your answer positive and brief.
Number 2, what brings you here? Great when you're in a specific location. Shows genuine interest in the other person.
Number 3. Nice weather we're having. Or any weather comment. Everyone relates to weather and it's a perfect conversation bridge.
Number 4, have you been here before? Awesome for new places. Whether they say yes or no, the conversation can keep flowing.
And number 5, What do you think of so versatile? Fill in the blank with anything around you, and you're inviting someone to share their opinion.
The secret to all of these is to be genuinely interested and keep the conversation light and friendly.
And remember, small talk doesn't have to be deep or meaningful. It's just about making a human connection.
You know what? After going through all these examples, I'm feeling much more confident about my small talk skills.
Even after the rainy day elevator incident?
Hey, now I know to check the weather before commenting on it. But seriously, everyone, these phrases work because they're simple and genuine.
The best part is, once you try them a few times, they'll start feeling natural. Small talk is like any skill. It gets easier with practice.
So here's your homework. And yes, I'm giving you homework. Try one of these phrases this week, maybe at the grocery store, or with a neighbor, or at work.
And speaking of practice, we want to hear from you. In the comments, tell us, what's the most awkward small talk situation you've ever been in?
Or, better yet, use one of our phrases and let us know how it went. We love hearing your success stories.
If this episode helped you feel more confident about small talk, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Talk Smart Podcast. We're here every week with practical English tips.
And remember, everyone has awkward conversation moments, even native speakers. The important thing is to keep trying and stay friendly.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. Now, get out there and start some conversations.
See you in the next episode on Talk Smart.
Bye, everyone.